We're going to talk about safety equipment, PPE. If you got a pair of glasses like this, you're also cool. Okay. These are overkill, but they're kind of a fogless. When you put these on, your glasses that you have to wear don't fog up. They're kind of expensive, so most people don't have them. But they'll protect your eyes just as well as these. These are a pair of glasses that will fit over top of a pair of glasses. Not as comfortable, but they will do the trick, because unlike all these, if I was to use these are not what they call Z87 approved. They have to actually have the little number on there, Z87, to be approved for shatter resistance. All right, so if I was to have something that hit my glasses, they would break and I'd probably poke an eye out. Okay, and a lot of people don't think so. They think they can just wear their glasses and be covered, but these also have little sides on them to keep things from going into the side of it. They come in many different shapes and sizes. You know, you can be really cool, or you can be somewhat cool, or you can just be that normal guy. Okay, depends on how you want to look at it. But these are important anytime you're drilling, sawing. Again, you want to protect your eyes. You only get two of them. On the other hand, these just a pair of gloves we had laying here. You know, depending on what you're doing, you may want to wear a pair of gloves, keep splinters and stuff out of your hands. Or you may be working with some stuff that you don't want to get on your hands, like mastic and stuff like that. When it comes really down to important PPE, it's the ones you wear while you're out there working and you're not wanting to breathe anything in. Now, this is a typical N95. This is the most widely used mask out there in the weatherization field right now. Use this for if I'm drilling and a little bit of dust is coming up, maybe in the attic while I'm blowing insulation. It fits over top. It'll keep out the bigger stuff. But this is not, and I will repeat, this is not used for lead RRP work. This is not designed to catch the small particles that we do when we're working lead safe. So when we work lead safe, we have to have the N100. Okay, this actually has inside of it a little HEPA filter, and that's keeping all those little particles that we can't see out. This will not work for lead. All right, so again, these are just made to fit. Put them over top, strap them on. And then that comes to spray foam in the crawl spaces. This no good, this no good, this is probably your best bet. And this is a self-contained breathing apparatus. And this actually fits over top and it's attached to a pump. This is a filter. Okay, now not all spray foam will require this, but the only way we can find out is to read the SDS that comes with the spray foam. I may get by with an N100, I may get by with an N95, but most generally you want to have this because they're really toxic fumes. So what always comes down to is it's your personal safety, and you need to have what you need to have whenever it calls for it. That's all I got to say about that.